What's up, recteq family? I'm Chef Greg. And if you've got 4 and 9 for that big game, you want to have these wings in your repertoire, because I'm telling you, there's no better way to get that first down than this wing recipe right here. We've got that RT 700 rolling outside, burning that Kingsford Hickory Pellet at 400 degrees. It's smelling amazing. Let's go ahead and get started.
The most exciting day in sports!
It's game time
With the best recipes.
the best fuel.
And the best grill.
It's time for the big game
At the
recteq.
We've got about a dozen wings here. We're going to add some olive oil. And then I love my wings dirty. And we're going to use that Durty Gurl Blood Mary rub. Check it out at recteq.com. We'll add about a tablespoon of that rub here. And you want to be careful because this is a finer grind rub, so it can kind of get away from you a little bit. Put that horseradish, that Worcestershire powder in there. Man, it's smelling delicious. So we're just going to give these wings a quick toss, because we're not done getting dirty yet, people. All right, perfect. Just want to let those sit, get happy. And now onto that sauce that I'm telling you, you're going to have the cleanest fingers ever, because you're not going to let a drop of this go to waste, right? All right, let's go ahead and make this sauce. We're going to add 2 cups of that Durty Gurl Bloody Mary mix. And you can use your favorite. If you want to spice it up, you can use that horseradish. You can use that habanero. If you're a little bit wamby-pamby out there, you can go ahead and use that mild sauce. It's going to be fine. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of your favorite wing sauce, a couple dabs of that you know what I'm talking about. And then my secret, a little bit of limes. But we're not just going to juice those limes. We're going to zest them too, because I like a little citrus in there, a little pop of flavor. But seriously, question, do you guys make your own wing sauce out there? I mean, if you've never made your own wing sauce, today's the day. But comment down below. Do you make your own sauce or use your favorite bottle sauce? All right, so all we're going to do is put this on that RT 700. We're going to cook it down. We're going to simmer it up. And then we're going to make a little cornstarch slurry. We're going to take some cold water, a little cornstarch. We're going to mix it up. But I just had a thought. Because what goes better with wings than an ice cold beer? I think we should put some beer in here. But not everything, because the rest is for me. Nice warm beer. Yeah, not super cold. Ugh. We'll see you at the recteq. Telling you, these Bloody Mary wings coming off that RT 700, burning those hickory pellets, 400 degrees for an hour. Not only did we cook the chicken wings on the grill, we made the sauce on the grill. Same time. That makes Jody Flanagan extremely happy. Okay, but for the big game, you want big wings. And this recipe right here, I'm telling you. Just make sure you subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for more amazing content like that. All right, but I love the flat wings. Save the drummies for the people that are on the losing team. But for me, I'm going right here. I'm going to double dip it because we dress those wings on the grill super crispy, crunchy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's how you do it right there. Clean bite. We'll see you at the recteq.